Hey mathematicians! For math today, we are going to take a look at lesson 9-3. You'll find this in your Bulldog folder if you have it, or if you haven't been bringing it, Miss Tia has been putting your papers in your backpack, so make sure you go get what you need. You will also need a pencil or a crayon, whichever one you prefer for this lesson. Whatever you like to write with will be fine. Please remember, if at any time I'm going too fast, you can always push pause and then push play when you're ready to catch up. Let's take a look at this first page. You see Carlos and Jada and this cute collection of little piggies. So Jada has this collection of little piggies. How can Carlos show the number of piggy banks that Jada has? You could use real counters to show how many, or you could draw counters. Go ahead and try this all by yourself. Push pause and then push play when you're ready to come back. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get my pencil. And the first thing I'm going to do, which I hope you did too, is count those piggies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of piggies. Jada has 16 piggies. What's one way that we could show how many? We could use this 10 frame to draw the counters. Let's go. We need to show 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, I'm out of room. I still have more counters to draw. Where should I put them? Start a new row. So far I have 10. Let's count on from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Uh-oh, I'm out of room again. Better start a new row. 16. Wow, look at that. 16 counters to show Jada's 16 piggy banks. Great job, kiddos. Go ahead and turn your page just so that we're all ready. Then go ahead and set your pencils and your crayons down, and let's take a look at today's learning video. We've been working really hard on those teen numbers. We've done 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Today, we're going to take a look at the numbers 16 and 17. Here we go.
What does the picture show? It shows some pigs. How can you tell how many pigs there are? You can count them.
Let's count all the pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17.
Why do you see a 17? There are 17 pigs in all. Let's show 17 with counters and a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 frame is full. Make a new row below it with the other counters. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How do the counters match the pigs? both show 17. How are these ways to show 17 different? One way shows 17 pigs. The other shows 17 counters. What number do you see? It is the number 17. Why is this number shown? 17 is how many pigs there are. What do you think this number will be if you trace it? It will be a 17. Where do you start? Start at this dot at the top. Trace down. Now trace the other number. Start at this dot at the top of the 7. First, trace across. Now trace down to finish the 7. Read the number. It says 17.
All right, let's get some practice together. So I'm looking at this page. You can see number 1 star has some cute little pink piggies. We are going to go ahead and count those. So get your crayon or your marker ready. Not your marker, your crayon or your pencil. And let's mark and count these together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Besides using a 10 frame and counters, we can also write the number to show how many, and that's what we're going to do now. Let's trace the number 16 to stand for the 16 pigs. The 16 is a 1 and a 6. Make sure you're writing the 1 first. Let's trace the other one. Remember, 1 is fun. Straight line down and then you're done. Now the 6. Make a hoop and then a loop. Just that quick, you made a 6. 16 is a 1 and a 6. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 2 apple, and let's count those piggies. Remember, since we are counting a large amount of objects or a large quantity, we want to make sure that we're using a marking strategy to make sure we don't miss any piggies. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, let's trace that number 17. A 17 is a 1 and a 7. Trace the 1, trace the 7. I want you to notice there is not a space in between those numbers because they go together. Let's trace it again. 17 is a 1 and a 7. Very good. Go ahead and turn your page to the next one. Oh my goodness, look at all these cute animals that we get to count. We're just going to do a couple of these, and then I want you to practice doing some on your own. Let me get my pencil. Let's start with number 3 fish, and let's count these panda bears. Remember to mark every panda bear one at a time and say one number each time you count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's write the number 16. 16 is a 1 and a 6. Good job. Oh, we have to count these puppy dogs. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ooh, let's write the number 17. Remember, 17 is a 1 and a 7. 1. And how do we write a 7 again? Oh, yeah. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. 17 is a 1 and a 7. And they're right next to each other. Let's do one more. Ooh, I know. Let's count these kitty cats. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's write the number 16 to show how many. 16 is a 1 and a 6. Did you get it? Good job. We are going to skip this one and skip this one. You do not have to do them. Let's turn the page. All right, looking up here at the top, what does that say? I know you can read those big words. Independent practice. That means I want you to do a couple all by yourself. I want you to count each object and then write the number to show how many. I want you to do number 8 flag, number 9 kite, number 10 house, and then stop. Go ahead and push pause and then push play when you get it all done. And you can check your work compared to mine. Okay, take a look at my answers and see how you did. For number 8 flag, I counted 16 puppies. Remember, 16 is a 1 and a 6. For number 9 kite, I counted 17 teddy bears. 17 is a 1 and a 7. For number 10 house, I counted 16 ponies. 16 is a 1 and a 6. All right, let's do number 11 flower together. I want you to draw 17 counters and then write the number that shows how many. That is a large quantity. So our counters might have to be a little bit small so we have enough room to draw 17. Let's try to do it together. Here we go. I'm going to count as I draw each counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We drew 17 counters. Now let's write the number to show how many. 17 is a 1 and a 7. Awesome job. Turn your page. All right, we are to the homework pages, and there are two, the front side and the back side. I want you to do both pages with your grown-up at home. Grown-ups, the directions are just down at the bottom. For the most part, it's pretty cut and dry. It's count and write the number to show how many, or draw counters and write the number to show how many. Kiddos, when you're all done with this assignment, put it in your folder so that Miss Tia can check it when you bring it back. Before you go, let's take a look at the Another Look video. Go ahead and put your papers and your writing utensils down. Here we go.
Jada, I need some help. Jada!
I'm coming. Connect cubes, cool.
Let's find out how many cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Watch me write the number 16.
16.
Should we try another one?
Yes, please. Let's count to 17.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Hooray!
Now here's how to write the number 17.
17.
And that's how we count, read, and write the numbers 16 and 17.
16 and 17.
Great job!
I'll see you next time, mathematicians. Good job today.